Good morning to everybody. Greetings also on my behalf. I'm a senior advisor in Finnish Innovation Fund. And as introduction, what we mean with the fair data economy and what is it. This is a study about us citizens in 4 countries, in Finland, Netherlands, Germany and France. And I think that one of the main results of this study, what the citizens think about data economy, about the usage of data and the rights for using the data, is that after the Facebook leaks and after the GDPR, about 70% of the people have changed their behavior and they are more worried about the usage of data. So if we try to build up fair data economy, so we have to give back value. So the end users have the service, but they give the value for the service providers, and even the data providers are having some value. And if this value chain is not existing, then we don't have the fair data economy. So yes, we need this value back, and we need this kind of incentive there. So it have to be fair for end users, service providers, and data providers. So we are building up European level rules and guidelines. We are building up collaboration through all the pilots and pioneering business models. And we are developing for us individuals easy ways to identify reliable services. So the main question is not the data providers, it's the services which are coming to us as a citizen, and we are giving the consent for that. Let's take a simple example. I traveled to Barcelona some days ago, and we have actually developed one pilot solution about travelers' health. So now I'm coming to Barcelona, and there is Jana, who is a service provider, and she's coming to me and asking, we want your health data and your medication data, which is crucial for you when you are traveling. And if I say yes, I give my consent to the service provider Jana, who then goes to Stefan, who has all my data. So campus service in Finland, and then Jana can have the data, and I have it on my mobile app. We have done that so that the people can have it in Tokyo 2020 in Japanese. It's now operational in English and in Finnish. So we can carry the data, but it's after my consent, which the service provider then provides me. This is also a business option, and we have made also a study in these same 4 countries about the companies and the options and attitudes about data economy today. And promising, almost 60% of the companies are ready and see business opportunities here. So we have started from the technical pilots, and as Janne describes, they are based on open source, and we are publishing a platform, a repository, in the beginning of next year. So actually you can steal everything if you want to. So all the code which our pilots have been developing are available for you. Same with our reports. They are in English, so please read, join us and work with us. And the next step that we are building up is this concept building. That's what we are doing today. Building up business trials and business models with pharma and different branches of business areas. And at the end, we are looking about these emerging ecosystems which we are facing. How does it work? And there we are hearing more about our Blue Book today. And we think that we can have some kind of governance model at the end when Sitra is making exit. And we have some kind of system function, hopefully, here. Not just in Finland, but also in Europe. Thank you so much.
And my question is, who should lead in the healthcare sector, under your point of view, to be in the map? Because it looks like in the States, It's the private companies who are leading and they're trying also to enter in the health market. In Asia, probably they don't have a public health sector as developed as it is in Europe, so probably they have a higher motivation than the one that we have to lead this sector. So my question is the European Union, the European Commission, it's private companies who should lead it, it's Ethel, I don't know, that's my question.
Good question. I think that there's not just one organization, and we are talking to the Commission, we are trying to have this on the political agenda, we are talking in Finland to our government, to our ministries, so yes, we need this political part to make the change. But it is also a change for the companies, how they are doing their business, what they're showing in this survey. And it's a big mindset of us, the people, and also in different stakeholders here. So that makes it a bit challenging, so to say, when you are saying who's taking the leading role. I think it's those ones who are making this fair business tomorrow, and we are perhaps, they are the leaders.